Identify the goal of rinsing. The primary objective when preparing a burette for titration is to ensure that the concentration of the titrant inside remains exactly as specified. Any residual liquid on the inner walls of the burette can interfere with the accuracy of the experiment. Consider the effect of residual water. Burettes are typically cleaned with distilled water before use. If a burette is filled with titrant while still wet with water, the titrant will be diluted. This results in a lower than intended concentration, which would require a larger volume of titrant to reach the endpoint, leading to a systematic error in the final calculation. Evaluate rinsing with titrant. To prevent this dilution, the burette must be rinsed with the titrant solution itself. This process displaces any residual water and ensures that the liquid coating the internal surface of the glassware is the titrant at its proper molarity. Determine the number of rinses. Performing the rinse twice, or more, is the standard laboratory protocol to ensure the removal of virtually all residual water through successive displacement. Conclusion: rinsing twice with the titrant solution is the most effective and reliable way to prepare the burette for an accurate titration, confirming that option D is the best procedure. The correct answer is option D. Rinse the burette 2 times, each time with some of the titrant solution.